What's up, YouTube? It is your host MLG Xavier Flawless, and we're here back with a new video. Okay, I said I was gonna make one today, and I promised. Wait, is that a video that I was gonna do? Yeah, but it was too long. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna make a new video. It's by Berleezy Got Roasted. Berleezy, you know. Plus a diss track. Okay. So I skipped through the half thing because I didn't want to, go through the whole thing because the video is only 15 minutes, and then this Mobizen thing won't let me do it for 15 minutes or more. See, I'm speaking too much. But anyway, yeah. So basically, Nemraps actually reacted to one of Dora Exposed by Berleezy's videos. Okay. And so basically, he was Berleezy seeing that he was just sitting there, not even laughing, not even doing anything. Okay, so then I guess oh no, I can't remember, but I guess he got a little mad. Said that. Oh, what am I saying? If you guys want to go see the regular video, the original video, I'll put it down in the description down below. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm wasting too much time. I don't know why I'm talking too fast. I'm sorry that this video is in a rush. I'm just really fast about it because I really have to do a lot of things. You know, I'm here in Mexico. Was good. Shout out to all my Mexican fans out there. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna jump into this. We're just gonna read this. I guess something said by Berleezy. So. Yeah, like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff. Share with friends, anybody else, family members. I don't care. Have a great day. Why am I saying have a great day? Anyway, let's just jump into this video. I'm sorry. Let's get it.
Sticks? Oh my gosh. Playing Super Smash Bros, right?
Yeah.
And I start getting notifications from people saying to check out this video called Berleezy Exposed, the roast of Berleezy.
The heck?
Sorry, guys. That's me. I should never hate on Berleezy. He's the best, right? That's right. Let's get it. Berlin, Italy. Dude never watches space. His cheeks covered in dead skin.
Oh.
It's the moon looking down. Cinnamon. Jamaican Neville Jack mascot cartoon looking down. Berlin skin exposed. Light skin version of Frozone.
Oh.
He did not say
Oh.
that. And I mean, this dude goes in for 4 minutes talking about my appearance, how I'm 23 and still in school, claiming I was trying to get at underage girls because I'm saying what's up to the fans. What?
Oh.
What is going on? Are you kidding me?
Oh.
You are. Oh, God!
So you guys.
No, I'm not usually one to get involved in some YouTube drama. But I'll be damned if
Sorry,
I let
guys.
CeeLo Green take shots on me and
Ooh.
then give me some bullshit like this.
Now, before you start spreading some hate, just realize that this was just a friendly roast between roasters. After doing all that research on the dude, I was looking at all his videos, and to be honest, I actually do like his videos. That's ironic.
It's too late for that. I don't do diss tracks. I do reality checks.
Okay, I'm gonna have to move real quick because my cousin's gonna be coming in right now. So wait, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, it just moved. Sorry guys, I just moved upstairs. Yeah, it's just more quieter up here. More haunted. I'm just playing around. Anyway, let's just jump back into this because I'm wasting time. Let's go.
Alright, how you doing, man? Good, good. Can I get an original switcher? Can I see your ID? ID? Look. Oh. Weirdo. I'm Berleezy. Berleezy?
my god, it's starting.
Yeah.
Wait, in the studio too?
Yeah. Look, them raps, you done piss me off. Claiming it's a friendly roast, ain't no friends involved. I don't know your fat ass, but you came for the kid. Now I gotta set it off. Well, okay, let's get it. Joking about my head like the rest of them do. I got two big heads. Ask your mama, fool. If you really want the problems, I'll solve them. Nigga, stop it. If my hair's receding, then your shit's dissolving. I ain't scared of no one. I know you won't try me. Talking shit, knowing damn well you won't fight me. That bald head so shiny, subscribers be blinded. That's why in every vid your hat's on to hide it. You're bold as fuck. Embrace it, you black planet. Head built like a brown egg, organic. I know you mad cause Berleezy is the next to blow. Looking 35, but your life's about collectibles. Get a fucking job if you so educated. On YouTube, taking vids you ain't created. Like mine. That's why I felt your ass cross the line. You tried to make me look like all I did was whine. Why? A reactor feeling so entitled. Nigga, you sit in front of a green sheet. Steal people's work, upload it, and make cheese. Nah, wasn't having that. That's why I called your shit whack, you embarrassment. I stay faxing. The fact is that your channel is a cancer. What kind of challenges holding in your laughter? Sounds like an excuse to burn less calories. Flow sick like a diabetic with some allergies. But let's get back on that shit you talking. Making fun of me cause I'm 23. Getting my degree while still gaining subs on YouTube. Making cheese. You said that you were everything I aspire to be. Nigga, please. You a small fry away from some double D's. Upload every day, channel still basic. I barely upload, grow faster than your weight does. Fat boy, yeah, look, lived in the garage, yeah, I started from the bottom, but I make enough now, I can move to the Bahamas. You look like a fat nerd living with his mama, trying to save his channel off some YouTube drama. Looking like a pastor, where the fuck your church at? Fat Terry Crews if he never did a jump jack. I'm trying to save you. Put the donut down, cup of coffee every bit been adding up to pounds.
Fire right here.
And the people gather round them raps make a vid, don't nobody make a sound. Stole two of my vids and they both doing stats. But on your own content, nobody click on that. Your corny ass had the nerve to pull the race car. You gotta be kidding. Said I'm tearing down black YouTubers, you tripping. You stole my vid, didn't ask for permission, and didn't say one positive word. Still monetize the vid, eating off my work. That's black on black crime. Stop crying, playing with your toys. Get your life, pedophile. If I'm granddad in 20 years, you're Cleveland Brown right now. You fat black clown. Carl Winslow, please sit the fuck down. Channel needed me to get it up off the ground. I'm bringing you views so you eat and say thanks. And put some respect on my motherfucking name.
Sorry, you guys. I'll move a little bit more farther away. I like how he says respect, not respect. You know? Respect. Let's keep going.
Yeah, and think twice before you use me for clickbait. I don't need everybody to like me, but don't act like you're not making money off my shit. You look like a milk dud and sound like a white kid. Didn't enjoy it, but you still getting paid. You the problem with YouTube. Don't react, create. If you react to my biz, then react. Don't sit there looking like an idiot. Actually, don't react to none of my shit. I'll be damned if Black Mr. Clean come up off me. Nem raps, more like Nem reacts, cause this the first time your subs ever seen you snap. You've been exposed as a thief and a clown. Nobody give a fuck about your weak vids now. Yeah, so think twice before you throw salt on my name. Otherwise, I'll be back and roast that bald head again, bitch. Your bald ass. And yeah, Bryce gonna bend the home.
Chan and Tucker A. Rush
Trying to
hour.
roast me, I should have roast myself for it. Try again, Michelin man.
Got him!
Yeah.
Got him!
Hold on.
Let's get it. Hey.
Dude is stupid. At first I wasn't getting it. I was like, what is he talking about? Like, what is he supposed to be doing? But I guess he's just roasting the cartoons. I lost.
Now please, don't go sending any hate to Nemrap's channel. YouTube doesn't need any more of that. He doesn't need that. This was just a friendly roast between two roasters. Ain't no beef here, trust me.
Yep.
Your boy Berleezy signing out. I love each and every one of you.
Anyway, this is the end of this video, okay? I'll leave the link in the description down below. And also, I'll leave a bunch of other stuff that you guys haven't heard me say before. But, yeah. Here, oh, I'm going to go downstairs now. Because, yeah, I forgot. Yeah. Anyway, this is going to be the end of this video. Oh my god, a bird just got scared. Hurry up. Anyway, this is the end of this video. Sorry, now you can hear the noise. Anyway, this is the end of this video. Like I said about a million times. Go ahead. I'll leave his YouTube channel down in the description down below, so you can go check out this original video. I don't want to leave the original video down there because I really suck at that. Anyway, I love you guys, and thanks for all the support. You know, I still have like we started from 1, now we have 3. That's good. We see 2 more people subscribe to me. Like that. Anyway, I hope you guys having a great day. What else? I keep forgetting. Anyway, like, subscribe, share this to a lot of people, okay? And we are out. Peace.